Okay, let's have example number 2. So the fifth term of an arithmetic sequence is 20 and the 12th term is 48. Find the following. Letter A, common difference. B, first term, and C is the 30th term. So ang hint natin dyan, arithmetic sequence. So therefore, we have to use arithmetic sequence. So yan po yung formula. A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times t. So hinahanap natin yung common difference. So yun yung D, di ba? Sa letter B, first term. Yun yung A sub 1. So sa letter C, 30th term. So yun bali yung A sub 30. Okay. So hindi natin kaagad mahanap tong mga to. Kasi ito yung gagamitin nating formula. So paano natin mahanap yan? Based pa dun sa mga given natin. So balikan nyo yung mga given. Meron tayong fifth term is 20 daw. So yan. So may A sub 5 tayo, 20. And then another one, we have 12 term is 48. So meron tayong A sub 12 is equal to 48. Now, yan dalawa lang na yan yung given natin. So what will you do uh, if you have these two given? So hanapin natin yung D, yung A sub 1, tsaka A sub 30. So, yan. Gamit natin yung formula ng arithmetic sequence. A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times D. So, gamitin mo muna yung unang given mo. So, step 1, i-maximize mo muna yung given mo na 'to. 'Di ba, A sub 5. So, gamit yung formula, lahat ng n palitan mo muna ng 5. So, A sub 5 equals sa A sub 1 plus yan, 5 minus 1 times D. Kasi wala nga tayong A sub 1 tsaka D, 'di ba? Tapos, since yung A sub 5, ang value niya 20, so substitute mo. Kaya 20 is equal to A sub 1 plus 5 minus 1 is 4D. So, let that be your equation 1. So, gamit yung unang given. Now, in step 2, gamitin mo naman yung pangalawang given that A sub 12 is equal to 48. Same thing yung ginawa natin sa step 1. Gamit yung equation o yung formula, lahat ng n, palitan mo ng 12. Kasi yun yung given. So, A sub 12 is equal to A sub 1 plus yung n ay 12 minus 1 times D. Since 12 minus 1 is 11, so magkakaroon ka ng 11D. And yung given natin na A sub 12 is equal to 48. So, pinalitan na lang natin yon. Kaya, bale, yan na po yung equation 2. Now, uh, to solve for D, kasi yun yung una natin hinahanap no, sa letter A, yung common difference. Gamitin natin ngayon yung dalawang equation na yan. Yan ngayon yung step 3. So, use elimination method for equation 1 and 2. So, i-minus natin yung equation 1 at saka 2. So, as you can see dito, ito yung equation 1. Tapos yung equation 2, nagkaroon ng mga minus sign lahat. Kasi 'di ba, ima-minus natin yung equation 2. So, sabi natin pag nagma-minus, change the sign of the subtrahend. So, yung 48 naging minus 48, yung A sub 1 naging negative A sub 1, then minus 11B. Then proceed to addition. So again, pag nag-add tayo, sign numbers, no? We have to be careful. So like in this one, pag in-add mo tong dalawa, hindi possible na i-add yung number kasi yung isa positive, yung isa negative. So, pa-minus mo. 48 minus 20 is 28. Kokopyahin mo yung sign ni 48 na negative kasi 48 is greater than 20. Okay? So, dito naman, A sub 1 minus A sub 1. So, 0, 0 na to. Wala na tayong A sub 1. Dito, meron tayong positive 4 dito, negative 11D. So, again, hindi sila parehas sa side. So, ima-minus sila. 11 minus 4, 7. Kopyahin ulit natin yung sign ni 11 kasi mas malaki si 11 kaysa 4. Kaya nagkaroon ng negative 7D. Ngayon, dahil we're about to solve for D, eliminate natin yung negative 7. That's why I have this. Nag-divide ako both sides ng negative 7. So, cancel this out. magiging -28 divided by -7, magiging +4. Kasi 'di ba 'pag nagdi-divide ng same sign, positive. So, 28 divided by 7, +4. So, nakuha na natin yung letter D. I mean yung common difference natin. Now, in step 4 naman, we're ready to find a sub 1. Okay? So, paano yun? Mamimili ka either equation 1 or 2. Dito pinili ko equation 1. Yan, a sub 1 plus 4d. Bakit? Kasi mas malaki dito yung number. So, dito mas mabilis i-manipulate. So, ba't kailangan natin yung step 1 ay yung equation 1? Kasi nga sino-solve natin yung a sub 1. Since meron na tayong d, substitute na natin dyan. That's why I have this. So, copy ko yung 20 equals a sub 1 plus 4 and then d is 4. Ito yun. Nasolve natin dito. Yan. Tapos times natin itong dalawa, magiging 16 yan, di ba? Yun. Bakit -16? Kasi 'pag nilipat mo sa kabila magbabago ng sign. So, 20 minus 16. So, a sub 1. So, ma'am bakit napunta yung a sub 1 sa left? Kasi nga commutative, 'di ba? So, pwede dito mangyayari 20 minus 16 equals a sub 1. That is the same as a sub 1 equals 20 minus 16. So, minus mo 'to, magiging 4. So, yung a sub 1 natin is 4. Yun, meron na tayong a sub 1 tsaka meron na tayong d. So, we're now ready to proceed finding the letter C, yung a sub 30. So, that will be our step 5. And solve for the 30th term. So, bali, ang n natin 30. Kaya a sub 30 is equal to, yung a sub 1 natin ay 4. Ito yon. Sinubstitute ko na dun sa formula. Plus, yung n natin ay 30 minus 1. Then, ang d natin is still 4. Ayun. So, times 4. Ito muna yung solve mo sa loob ng parenthesis. 30 minus 1, 29. Times 4, 116. 116 plus 4, 120. So, bali, ito po yung a sub 30. Ibig sabihin, yung ika-30th term is 120. Okay? So, ganun lang, no? Ulit, pag dalawa yung given, di given yung a sub 1, tsaka yung d, yung n, di din given. So, i-work out mo muna yung unang given mo gamit yung formula. Yan, gawa kang equation. Tapos yung pangalawa din na given, gawa ka ulit ng equation. Tapos elimination method. No, ima-minus mo equation 1 and 2. Okay? Tapos solve for the common difference. Tapos, step 4, kunin mo yung equation 1 kasi mas maliit yung mga number nito kaysa sa equation 2. Okay, pwede rin naman gamitin equation 2, parehas lang yung value na maso-solve mo diyan. Pero kasi iniiwasan natin mag-deal with bigger number para less mistake, no? Kaya kinuha na natin yung equation 1. So, sinubstitute natin dito yung d para ma-solve natin yung a sub 1. So, itong 16 nilipat mo, ayan. Kaya a sub 1 is 4. Ngayon, that's a problem natin sa letter C. So, for the 30th term, dahil meron na tayong a sub 1 tsaka d, gamitin ulit yung formula, substitute the value. So, para ma-solve mo yung nire-required na term. Okay? So, next. Example 3. During the dry season, a farmer in your town is testing a new water irrigation system for his rice field. After 1 minute of turning on the water pump, the water level in the irrigation canal rose to 30 centimeters. After 2 minutes, it reached 85 centimeters. And after 3 minutes, the level was 140 centimeters. If the water level continues to rise at this constant rate, how high will the water level be after 16 minutes? Now, pag ganito yung problem, tignan mo kung ano yung key term na hahanapin mo. Basta tandaan mo pag may rise, increase, arithmetic yun. Kapag may tripled, may double, geometric yun. So, ganun lang naman yung pag-identify. So, in this case, kung mapapansin natin yung term na ginamit, rose, no, yung may pagtaas. So, that's automatic na parang increase. No? Same thing with continues to rise. So, may pagtaas nga ng tubig. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung increase or decrease, pwedeng pang decrease, dealing with arithmetic sequence yun. Okay, so yun gagamitin natin ulit, no, yung formula ng A sub n equals to A sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times D. Ngayon, balikan mo yung given. Hanapin mo yung sequence. So, as you can see here, we have 1 minute, may 30 centimeters. After 2 minutes, may 85. After 3 minutes, may 140. So, yung 1, 2, 3 dyan, bali yan yung position, parang A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, ganon. So, makakagawa ka ng series out of that gamit yung given na centimeters natin. So, meron na tayong sequence ngayon na 30, 85, 140. 'Di ba? So, from here, pwede na tayong magsimula na mag-solve nung nire-required. Eh, nire-required, what is the water level daw after 16 minutes? Ayun. So, therefore, ang hinahanap natin yung A sub 16. Ayun. Bakit tayo may arrow naman dito? Kasi nga hinahanap natin yung mga parts, no? Yung A sub 1, yung N, tsaka yung D. So, sabi natin pag arithmetic, ima-minus natin yung pangalawa, tsaka yung una. Ima-minus natin yung una from the second term. So, 85 minus 30, 55. So, yun yung common difference. Okay? So, ano naman yung A sub 1? Yun, yung nauunang term. So, that's our A sub 1. So, how will we know the N? Ayun, A sub 16 kasi yun yung nire-require. So, N is 16. So, meron na tayong A sub 1, may N na, may D. So, ready na tayo mag-solve. Ayun. So, gamit ulit yung formula, no, yung given natin, ayan, A sub 1 is 30, D is 55, N is 16. Ito yung solution natin. Substitute lang. So, A sub 16 equals, A sub 1 natin, 16. Ayun. I mean 30. And then plus, yan yung quantity natin, yung n minus 1. So, n is 16, kaya 16 minus 1. Common difference, yung d natin ay 55. So, minus mo muna to, 15 times 55. Calculator na lang. So, 15 times 55 is 825. Plus 30, so that is 855 centimeter. Yun bale yung ating A sub 16. So therefore, after 16 minutes, the water level will be 855 centimeters high in the irrigation canal. So that's how we're going to solve the problems, no, in terms of arithmetic sequence.